Most people spend hours every day consuming content online, but I made a decision. Instead of only consuming content, I want to create content. I want to build, I want to grow, and I want to impact lives. My name is Prince F. Moba, and this is the beginning of my journey. Hello everyone, my name is Prince F. Moba. I am 16 years old. I'm from Africa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I created this channel to inspire, motivate, educate, and grow with people all around the world, especially students, young people, teachers, parents, innovators, and anyone who wants to become better. This channel is not just about making video, it is about growth, it is about learning, it is about becoming the best version of ourselves. I'm passionate about growth, education, technology, and innovation. I'm deeply interested in things like technology, web development, innovation, business ideas, and problem solving. Technology excites me because I love building ideas. I love innovation. I love conversations about the future. I believe technology can change lives, create opportunities, and solve real problems. One big reason I started this YouTube channel is to document my journey. I want people to see where I started, not when everything is perfect, not when I have everything figured out, but now, at the beginning. I want people to grow with me. I know I'm still learning. I know I'm still young. I believe age should never stop anyone from learning. You do not need to wait until everything is perfect before you begin. You can start now. You can start small. You can grow step by step. Starting this channel was not easy. Like many people, I had doubts. I overthought things. I wonder, will people watch? Will people care? Will I be good enough? What will they say about me? But I realized I procrastinated. I wasted a lot of time thinking that I have to get everything figured out first before starting. But I realized that if I keep waiting for the perfect moment, I may never start. So I decided to begin. My vision is bigger than only YouTube. I want to keep learning. I want to build valuable skills. I want to become disciplined. I want to build meaningful connections. I want to grow intellectually, mentally, and professionally. And I want to create value for people. On this channel, you will see content about motivation, discipline, technology, innovation, student growth, healthy habits, self-improvement, web development, and my journey of learning. This is a place for people who want to grow, people who want to learn, people who want to improve, people who want to be more disciplined, people who want to build a better future, and people who are ready to put in the work to start that YouTube channel, to start that business, to start that work. This is what this channel is about. This is only the beginning. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me through my short likes, comments, and share. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. And if you want to grow with me on this journey, hit the subscribe button and join me. You are highly welcome. Let's learn, let's grow, let's build together. See you in the next video.